Here's a sneak peek of the Kuiu gear I'll be wearing this hunting season. So we got the Kuiu Pro Mesh hat in you guys camo. We also got the Kuiu Flex Fit Delta hat in blaze orange. During rifle season, I'll be wearing the Precision Hunter vest on top of all my gear. On my skin, I'll be wearing the Ultramarino 120 LT/LS Crew T on the skin. On top of that, as an extra layer, I'll be wearing the Pro Merino 200 Zip T. Heard great reviews about their merino wool. When I'm in the tree stand and I want more warmth on those windy, cold days and I want more concealment, I'll be rocking their Peloton 97 fleece neck gaiter. However, on the warm days when I don't need insulated pants, I'll be wearing their attack pant. I've heard great reviews about these pants. They got 4-way stretch, a lot of zippers to go ahead and have breathability and comfort. On those really cold, frigid days, I'll be wearing their proximity lineup. So the best part about this is it provides insulation in a manner where we still have concealment, odorless, and non-sheen material. So we got the proximity hooded insulated jacket here. The hood comes on and off as you wish. And we also got the proximity insulated pant. So if you have any questions about these type of products, feel free to shoot me a direct message or comment below. I'll be providing more in-depth reviews of these products as we get further into hunting season. So until then, cheers.